hope you all are having an amazing day. Again, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you were new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxings from beauty, lifestyle, stationery, pets, snacks, and everything in between. So if you enjoy unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Guys, don't forget we do have quite a few active giveaways going on right now, so definitely check them out. They will be linked down below. But as you can see, today we have our November 2019 My Paper Box Mini. So My Paper Box has two different subscription levels. They have their grand box, which is $28 a month, and that's going to come with cards and a little calendar, notepads, and all kinds of really good, awesome stuff. It is $28 a month. And then they have their mini, which is $10 a month, and you get 3 notepads. The best part for both subscriptions is it's personalized. So there are going to be 3 notepads in here that are going to be designed, but they're going to be personalized with my name, and I love that. So let's see what they did for November. You never have too many notepads. And one thing I really like about the way they do the notepads is they're not just necessarily blank or lined notepads. Sometimes they put in like a shopping list type notepad, or, you know, I've said before, like kind of like a spring cleaning, like room by room type of a notepad. So it's not just plain notepads, it's always something extra. All right, so this is what it looks like when we open it. All right, so we're gonna read this right here. It says, "Welcome to November. Everyone must take time to sit and watch the leaves turn." Elizabeth Wallace. It says, "You've been working hard and playing hard. Enjoy the peace, quiet, and beauty that autumn brings. A great way to prevent burnout is to create space and time for yourself. Start saying no to requests from others when you know that little voice inside of you is asking for a chance to rest. Just take it one step at a time this month. Just take it one step at a time with this month's mini subscription. Our fall bundle will help you stay organized this month with all the stress that comes with planning the perfect meal. Don't forget to breathe. You've got this." That was awesome. We do all need to hear that. Okay. This right here seriously might be my favorite notepad ever from My Paper Box. So, if you know me, you know I love coffee. It's a coffee cup. Has my name down here. And it says one sip at a time. And you can see like little apple pie and cinnamon and leaves. Y'all, I love this notepad right here. Like so much. One sip at a time. I love that. All right, and then we have another, and this is almost like a little checklist. We have different kinds of pie going right here. And it says one slice at a time. So that is awesome. And then we have one that is unlined, a larger pad, which is so screaming fall in November. I love this. Again, personalized with my name, and it says one leaf at a time. So they're all reminding you one step at a time, one day at a time. And we do all need to remember that this time of year. Like, seriously, it's okay to slow down. It's okay to take a moment to breathe and gather your thoughts. So, but yes, I can very easily tell you that this right here, the one sip at a time, is by far, without a doubt, my favorite notepad ever. And I've been unboxing My Paper Box for over a year. This is my favorite ever. I love it so much. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for either the grand or the mini subscription. I love it. So let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.